It's a new 2018 Ford Focus. More miles, fun, freedom, and glances come along with this Focus. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, smartphone wireless charging, manual telescoping steering column, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and auto shift manual transmission. Edmunds.com writes, when it comes to that elusive fun-to-drive factor, for example, you'll find the Focus to be one of the more engaging cars in its class, with nimble handling that doesn't come at the expense of ride comfort. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.